So hello friends, a very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. And this video, we are going to discuss about our Google Sheet along with our monthly IV sheet. So we have selected some stocks for a non-directional trade. So those who are planning are based on our advanced option strategy concept. So how the system is works and how many opportunities we got it, and some of the trades which nearing to the target. And so based on our monthly positional strategy, so we are trying to find out opportunities one or two based on the concept one or two opportunities to which we can filter out based on the liquid and volume. So we find some opportunities in Tata Motors, Maruti, and something like IRCTC. I'm just discussing about our non-directional trade. So because this data we are updating before 1st of August. So 1st August we got this much of this is the 15 top stocks which we are expecting based on the good move. That means we can expect the movement on those stocks would be very high. So from this list, we find some stocks like first one is an IRCTC, and we are expecting at the time it is nearby closing as at 990. So we are expecting either 901 or in upside we are expecting somewhere around 1080. So that would be a level which we are looking for this particular stock. And what happened on those stocks, because most of the stocks were it is down today, and IRCTC from that level what we are expecting around 990. So we are expecting almost 901 is the lower level, and it maximum move towards 950. So if we are doing a non-directional strategies like FO future options or that FO strategy, SBB strategy, that may be nearing to the target or it is in the profit, because it is giving you such a good move what we expected in the downside as well as upside we are expecting. So on the day one we are finding out the higher level and lower level. So based on that we are planning on hedging strategies, right? So here some of the stocks may give you such a good result, and unfortunate down on the Nifty, and many stocks where it is came down. So but before that we find out, and these are all the opportunities, and IRCTC, and the second one is Maruti. So where I am just updated on that particular level is about a future price here, and future price maybe on the previous month somewhere around 13,116, that is exactly 13,110. So the next day it went up to 600 level, but we are expecting somewhere higher 14,000, but 12,400 is our lower level. And 2nd August, 5th August itself it came to 12,091. So now it is almost 12,258. So based on the concept, what exact options which you are looking for in Maruti. So let me go for whether it is giving you opportunity or not. We have to check that, because it is maybe moving gap up or gap down. So 13,500 Maruti, just we'll try. Yeah. So here is the monthly positional sheet where I'm just looking for. So our entry point 641, 13,100. Let me check based on the concept Maruti 14,100 put option 601. So here previous close is 316, and the next day open is almost 1025. So huge gap up. So maybe it doesn't provide you the opportunity. And this particular day where it is came nearby 663, our entry point is an exactly retracement or re-entry opportunity 641. So here on the particular day 641, and it came down to 663. Says that, sorry, here also it is not meeting that entry point. So we consider this stock is a not an active trade based on the directional concept. So you know, you are on our advanced strategy, you will learn directional as well as non-directional. But if you are looking at a directional strategy, this premium is went up to almost 1000 plus. So what we are expecting is 900 rupees premium, and here in this single option it moves towards almost on the day is around 1025. Same time 13100 Maruti, 13100 put option where I'm just looking at 1025. 1100, because the call option 13100 call option may not become zero, and it have some values, and 6th of the day it is almost 75 rupees, and now it is still it is 52 rupees. It never became zero because we have a more time value, so it is not going to become zero very quickly. So these are all the strike price, and these are all the options which we are tracking for an opportunity. So next one is a Tata Motor. whether it is reaching our level or not. So let me go for the lowest level which came into 1008. So 1055 is a level that is also a non-directional trade which triggers. And if you are looking at 1160 Tata Motor 1160 put option, are based on the concept what is the strike price on Tata Motor 1160 and 79 to 116, where it is triggered 79. So it is started by maybe in this particular day it triggers. And also we made a video regarding this also in Tata Motor, and it was on 1st of August, 2nd of August which is triggered. And if you are looking at 2nd August, it is triggers our entry point here 70 79.8 is our entry point, and it is closing hours we got an opportunity. And the next day it reaching towards target almost 150, it moves on near about 150. Now it is trading 116. This is an opportunity where easily find out with our Google sheet. But some of the stocks like you can see LIC Housing Finance, BSOFT, Infosys, ACC. So almost we have triggered near about 40% or more than 40% is somewhere around 22 stocks, and more than 30% is around 37 stocks. Entry triggered stocks is near about 67 or 70 plus stocks where it is triggers our entry. But we are not going to focus all the 70 or 80 stocks. So we have to filter based on the liquidity, volume, and option price. That is a bid ask gap. That is what a liquidity, and a lot of things we are calculating. And finally we find a lot of opportunity. And apart from that, we selected for a non-directional. BPCL is the one which we are looking for 319. What is happening on BPCL on daily time frame, whether it is came to the level or not. So BPCL, instead of that, it went up to almost 360 level on 350. This is what level. So this is still not moved yet. So maybe 333 is the lowest level where we are expecting the lower level of 319. So maybe another short of 10 or 15 rupees to reach the level. But we have more time to reach the targets. Okay. So only we have 8 days gone in the August, and we have another 10-15 days to till expiry. Some of the stocks ITC. So these are on the list. We are looking for a non-direction that was not moving yet. And Godrej consumer product CP, that has also not moved yet. And from that level, yes, it's slightly moved. So from 1450 we are expecting it's 1510, and our expectation is 568.50 rupees short, and now it is a sharp fall from the top. But if you are doing an edging kind of trade, so it will be protected. Okay. So these are all the stocks which you are taken. But as of now, so due to that good movement in the Nifty in a downside, so we have a lot of stocks where it is triggers, and it is more than 30%, is almost 30 plus stocks. So we have to find a one or two stocks based on the scanner, that how we are going to filter out, that we are learning on our paid sessions. And you will be learning 5 different hedging strategies. From that 4 are hedged, and one would be naked, and it will be giving you monthly positional, and weekly and intraday also we are looking for. So some of the opportunity in the morning is good, but after sometimes later we have a lot of opportunity in put side, which it is triggers like Power Grid, GoForge, and MPS is also we are just looking for, and NMDC. So a lot of opportunity we got it in the put side today, and it is purely for an intraday. So in here we have a lot of stocks like SBI and 880, and PFC that is triggers, and LNT that is also giving a good reset, and Bajaj Finserv 1660, it is our entry point. These are all the opportunities based on the directional concept. And non-directional concept, I hope you understood how that non-directional concept works. So why we are making this particular sheet for a monthly once to get a non-directional. From the top list of stock, IRCTC almost moved, and Maruti done, and Tata Motor done, and BPCL now it is 10 rupees gap. And this is what nearby the level. And but we are not checking this, and I hope you can check this how these stocks are performing. And those who are my student who are already finished, and you can work out on this how the system works for a non-directional basis. And directional basis, you know well, so we can use our charting scanners also be there to find a opportunity. And here Google Sheet is the real-time scanner where we find out what are the stocks which triggers our entry point. So let me check an LTF 180 put option. So because most of the things are down, but we have to find only a quality and a liquid entry where it is entry triggered or not. So this is what our entry point where it is triggered 14.35. Our entry point is somewhere around LTF 10.2. So when the 10.2 is triggered and this particular day and it is not triggered, by the next day we have an opportunity. It came to started with 10.35 and the low made is 9.8. So there is an opportunity where we can get it on the 5th of August, or even the next day it came down to 8.5, but it is not moving towards our stop loss and it was giving you such a good opportunity, and now it is closed with a higher 15.5, almost more than 50%. That also be achieved our target. And LNT. So from all the stocks, sometimes the Tata Motor which triggers and Tata Steel, Hindalco 670 41. If we check whether it is giving you opportunity or not. Hindalco, the strike price exactly 670 put option. So breakout here, there is no opportunity. So we are not considering this would be an opportunity. 670 call option 41.6. Here is the point. It started 38 and next day gap up by 60 and it is already moved more than the target and it not come to that level. So this is the invalid trade or there is a no trade opportunities. I hope you understood how we are reading our Google sheet and also how we are effectively use our monthly positional sheet. That's our monthly IV sheets to make an opportunity by using our scanner. I hope you understood, and if you want to know more about the strategies and if you want to learn, so the website link which available in description, you can go through that and you will be finding an opportunity. And if you want to more details, directly WhatsApp me the number which shown on this video. The direct link of WhatsApp also available in description. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update. Thank you.